Hi everyone, let's see a case of acute cholecystitis. A middle-aged male patient came with severe right hypochondriac pain and vomiting. Murphy's sign was positive. Ultrasound shows thick-walled gallbladder with multiple tiny echogenic calculi. This is the picture of the gallbladder. Wall is thick and about 5 mm in thickness. These echogenic structures are calculi casting posteroacoustic shadows. Let's see on real time. Patient couldn't take deep inspiration due to pain. Thank you for watching.